Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is 7th April 2026, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the best Semrush Group Buy Sites in 2026, fully tested and compared. If you're a freelancer, agency owner, or just starting with SEO, you already know how expensive tools like Semrush can be. So today, I'll show you a budget-friendly way to access Semrush without spending hundreds of dollars every month. So first, we'll be using Supreme SEO, which is one of the popular platforms for group buy SEO tools. To get started, simply open their website and create an account. Once you're on the sign-up page, just enter your name, email address, and password, and click on Register. After signing up, you'll need to verify your email. So head over to your inbox, open the email, and click on the Verify Email Address button to activate your account. Once verified, log into your dashboard. From here, you can explore all the tools and proceed with your purchase. As you can see, they offer a wide range of group buy SEO tools, including keyword research, backlink analysis, and more. For this video, I'll be purchasing Semrush, since it's one of the most powerful SEO tools available today. Click on Semrush and proceed to checkout. You'll see multiple payment options here. I'm using PayPal, but you can also pay using Stripe, credit card, UPI, Paytm, and other methods depending on your region. Once your payment is completed, go to the Active Subscriptions tab, and you'll see your plan activated. Now just click on Site Explorer or the Tool Access button, and boom, you can start using Semrush right away. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'll see you in the next one. 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 See you in the next one.